Today we're gonna make sparkling flag slime as we travel around the world. Here are the ingredients: Elmer's glitter glue, Elmer's glue all, baking soda, and contact lens solution. Here are the tools: containers and sticks. And now it's time to make the slime. First, pour 1 Elmer's glitter glue or glue all in the containers. Now, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda in all of the containers. Now, mix it well. Now, let's add contact lens solution on all of the containers. After putting 5 or 6 tablespoons of contact lens solution, mix it well until the slime is fully formed, and then it's time to knead. Now it's time to make flags. My most favorite flag is the Philippines. Other flags what I made: Italy, Ukraine, Russia, Colombia, Ivory Coast, and Congo. Happy slime time traveling!